Supreme Court has cleared the decks for one of the most eagerly awaited verdicts in history. The Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court will now pronounce the contentious Ayodhya title suit verdict on Thursday, the 30th of September. The apex court today quashed the deferment petition. Security as a consequence has been beefed up in and around Ayodhya, but India, it seems, is prepared to receive this verdict in a much more mature fashion than the tumultuous years of the late 80s and early 90s. The decks are cleared for a verdict that's taken 60 years coming. A decision on the contentious Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid title suit will be delivered Thursday by the Allahabad High Court. A three-judge special bench of the Supreme Court removed the last legal hurdle, unanimously rejecting a deferment petition filed by a retired bureaucrat, Ramesh Chand Tripathi.
Having considered in detail the arguments of the parties, we are of the view that the SLP has to be dismissed. Accordingly, the SLP stands dismissed.
The court, while hearing the arguments, questioned the plea for deferment, prompting Justice Aftab Alam, one of the members of the bench, to observe.
You are running against time because you woke up late. That is after 50 years. The question is, why were you quiet for all these days? You had to strike a chord when the matter was in the High Court.
The Supreme Court's ruling was hailed by contesting parties.
Every Hindu public is very happy with this judgment. We were waiting for this judgment for the last so many years, for the last 500 years, including these 60 years of legal battle.
We have welcomed the judgment and order of the Honorable Supreme Court, and we would like that the High Court may pronounce its judgment the earliest, because all the parties, contesting parties, are of the view that judgment should be pronounced.
It is history in the making. Finally, the country will get to know which way the case goes. This is definitely not the end of the battle, as the matter will be heard by Supreme Court. But there will be a new twist to the entire argument. There will be one party which will come with a hardened stand. With Vidya, Atish Rasav in Delhi for Headlines Today.